claims that without access to clean water, the developed world would not exist. We would be constantly in search of water, and we would never have time to develop as a nation. She says that when basic needs are met, then and only then can we live beyond our circumstances. So now that I've given you some insight into what the global water crisis is, I want to tell you why exactly it comes about. Government and toxic charity. The first is government corruption. We all have privately clean water that's delivered right to our taps, but developing countries don't have this luxury. Their government does not meet the financial needs of the community to grow their infrastructure, let alone allowing people to afford proper sanitation, clean water, or health care. In a 2014 Public Health Journal article by Stephen Sarah and Jay Graham, they both said that the lack of funds for improved sanitation was commonly reported among Tanzanian households. And without the money to improve sanitation, open defecation becomes inevitable, further contaminating water sources. And the next component is toxic charity. In the 2011 book, Toxic Charity, by urban activist Robert Lupton, in 2015, Americans donated over $373 billion in private charity money. But where did it all go? We essentially disempower the people we try to help by doing things for them that they could do for themselves. The community has to be engaged and active in the change that we try to bring to them. These nations become more poor and more dependent on foreign aid money that goes to funding unsustainable or unmaintainable water sources that are too expensive or break after a few years of being in the village. But despite these looming issues, we have the power to change this reality. The first, get involved. The organization that I mentioned earlier is one example. Clemson Engineers for Developing Countries implemented a water system in the village that this water sample was taken from. And since implementation, there have been no cases of waterborne illness. Other on-campus organizations include Clemson UNICEF Foundation for International Medical Relief of Children, Engineers Without Borders, and so many more. So go out there and join a club. It's as easy as that. And the second is your lifestyle. Try taking a shorter shower. A short shower is about 20 to 30 gallons of water, whereas a longer shower could be upwards of 50 to 70 gallons. And try to not let the water run before getting in, because this can waste up to 10 gallons alone. Try not watering your lawn as much as well. If the average size lawn in the United States is watered for 20 minutes every day for 7 days, it's as if we were running the shower constantly for 4 days, or taking more than 800 showers. So in conclusion, I've spoken to you all today about what the global water crisis is, some reasons why it's happening, and ways that you can be involved in its end. And if you are the type of person that lets the water run before you shower, or waters your grass every day, think about the people of Cape Town, who may not know if they'll have water to drink tomorrow. And every time you use water for the rest of today, and for the rest of your lives, I challenge you, think about those who have none, and ask yourself, are you doing everything you can to help fix that? Thank you.